Hello guys, and welcome to the Fest. My name is Nicky Auto, and today we are in the 2018 Audi A1. This is the Audi A1 style with the S-Line exterior and a really nice interior with the leather steering wheel. Yeah, you got all the options that you want. This is the 1.0 TFSI engine, putting out 95 brake horsepower and a torque of around 200 Newton meters. This car should be able to do 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in around 11 seconds, but today we are going to find out. So this is the 0 to 100. It really goes. And 100 in second gear. That is nice. Most cars you have to shift like 2 times before reaching the 100 kilometers an hour. But in this car you can just give full throttle in second gear. Gonna launch it one more time. 3000 RPM and then let the clutch dive in. Ooh, little wheel spin there. Changing gear at 6000 RPM. And 103 in second gear. That's nice.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy, and silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little